Hello, hello. Today I am back and I am talking to you guys about Vegamour GRO Dry Shampoo. I absolutely love this dry shampoo because A, it's the convenience of a dry shampoo, plus you get the powerful GRO Plus formula that Vegamour uses in all their hair serums. So it's like a 2-for-1, which I love. So I'm just gonna show you how to use this product. So today is a perfect day for me. I'm a couple of days without washing. So if you can tell, you can see that I need to wash my hair, but I don't have time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and demonstrate how to use this. You're gonna give it a nice shake. You wanna put it in from your roots. So I know you're supposed to hold it about 4 to 6 inches away, but I'm never sure exactly what that means. So you have to push down on the nozzle just a little harder than usual. Okay, and then you're gonna massage it into your scalp. And I have to tell you that this smell is so crisp. I can't even describe into words what exactly the smell is, but just know that I love it and I think you will too. So, you're just gonna go ahead, make sure you get the whole head. And if you're like me, your main concern is volume, because I think that my hair is kind of flat. So, pro tip for styling is going to be, you're going to flip your head over, which I will do. Spray it in there, massage it in, flip her over, brush it through, and style as desired. Look at that, now I'm ready. Let me know what you think.